Hi guys, Jen here.
And Leo.
And we're celebrating Philippine Independence Day with
Halo Halo.
So halo halo in Tagalog literally translates as mix mix, and it's a staple shaved ice dessert of the Philippines. So along with ice, there are several different topping options. They usually come sweetened in jars, and these are some of my favorites. Coconut gel, palm fruit, jackfruit, garbanzo, and red mango beans.
Since some Peruvian beans have always been a savory ingredient, but after trying on this dessert, they're actually really good. And now let's shake some ice. Yellow, yellow, bebe.
Now fill up a tall glass or bowl with ice, pour evaporated milk, and arrange your toppings. Now some people like to layer the ingredients on the bottom or in the middle, but we like it on top. Now you could also top it with ube ice cream or leche flan like my mom's halo halo straight from the Philippines.
Hi everybody! I'm having halo halo today with leche flan and ube. It makes me think about Jen because we always make halo halo together. I hope you like it. Bye-bye!